All right, Shiba Inu coin holders, the plan for Shibarium has been unveiled in a certain context. I'm going to give you all the details in this video, at least what we know right now. It does impact Shiba Swap, potentially other components of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. We're going to talk about the new wrapped bone, if you will, that's coming, and all of that in this video. You're getting a first glimpse here of my new studio. It's not quite done yet, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a glimpse into this. Look, I can change the color of my light, which is really, really cool. Let's go with that. That's actually showing red. So there's more of a red. Kind of looks pink, doesn't it? That's purple. There's more red. Okay, there you go. Looks purple, but that's actually red. Go figure. Okay, so this is my first studio. I haven't got everything else set up yet. Working on that. A new computer's coming and all that kind of stuff. But wanted to give you guys a glimpse into this. So what do you think? Drop in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you. Okay, so we're going to talk about the plan for Shibarium, the fact that we're starting to get glimpses and some unveiling of it, and what it's going to, how it's going to impact us. So we're going to jump into that right now. Okay, so basically what we've got playing out here is what's coming up for Shibarium. Okay, so we have the forthcoming, as I said, wrapped bone, basically W bone. So it is going to be, quote, a cornerstone of the Shiba Swap universe. It is going to essentially be a version of bone, okay, and serving a critical role. This bone token acts as a conduit for powering the Shibarium system. Again, in light of bubbling anticipation for W bone's debut, Kosama confirmed his progression on the planned trajectory. In addition to the W-Bone announcement, Shibarium will soon embark on a journey to fortify digital contracts alongside Shiba Inu Brigade is strategizing basically they're going to cap the production of bone tokens, which basically is going to make it a limited supply. All right, so that's pretty interesting. They're doing this. I was aware of this, but I love this. I was aware of this. They're doing it as a response to the fan base. So look right here, additional updates on Shibarium. Bone renounced soon. Contract verification earlier this week. Shiba Swap moving to Shibarium soon. Basically going to be known as Shiba Swap 2.0. At least that's what the latest I had heard. W Bone will be launched shortly. But Austin, we don't need another token. No, it's part of the ecosystem. So don't stress. Don't freak out. Okay. And all that kind of stuff. Look, here it comes down to. They want Shibarium to be the cornerstone, and they have delivered it. It is up and running. It is starting to do its thing now. Okay. We know that Shibarium is going to be, again, the heart, if you will, of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And so we're starting to kind of see how that's going to play out. We're starting to get some insight, kind of really more for these logistical steps, if you will, as far as kind of logistical things that we're moving forward. Taking those off because you can see a glare. I haven't got all my lights set up yet. So these are all kind of the logistical steps that we're moving forward. All right. Now, bottom line, I'm excited about this. I think that these are all the next steps that we needed to take. Let's get a different color here. There you go. That's green. And, just for fun, changing colors. Got to play with the new toys, right? And I think we're moving in the right direction, guys. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. I realize it's not perfect, and there's definitely things that we all want, to be better and all that kind of stuff. But I'm excited, all right? And I think that we're making the right steps, okay? Final thought. Thank you for your support. Truly, let's make some money. See you. Bye. I think that all the crypto is headed in the right direction, and I'm excited for the trip that's ahead of us. See you. Bye.